Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this bloody game. Yay. I really don't know what I'm doing. I believe Johannes is here. Hello Johannes.
Hi.
Yeah, that's it. That's all I was gonna say actually. I'll put follow there.
Follow.
Yeah, okay.
Another hero.
Let's go on a quest.
Take the wasp quest card from the map.
Okay, quest time. Wasp Menace. We're going on a quest. Alright, questing time.
Anything happening?
Who's this one then?
Chicken chaser. Chicken chaser?
What am I known as? Unknown warrior called the Chicken Chaser. I'm the Chicken Chaser, Johannes. Fear me. Oh yeah, from the last episode, I kinda lost a bit of save data, so instead of my U crossbow, I have my U bow.
Jeff, are you gonna make some chicken tip
What can I do you
Shut
for?
up.
Remember, following the gold marker on your map will lead you to your best objective.
Wasps are attacking the picnic area. It's this way.
I don't want to care.
I got you where you stand. Used to be an adventurer like yourself, but
So then you
look
took an
at
air
me
to the
now, begging to survive. You must be able to get rid of...
is so
Hey!
bad.
I swear there's maggots crawling out of him.
Hey!
You little snot.
Ah, you're as bad as that stinking beggar. I'm out of here.
Ha ha ha! Funniest thing I've seen in years. You've earned my thanks, hero. I'm sure you'll make many friends in your travels.
Oh great, I'm the hobo helper.
Perhaps we'll meet again, hero.
Oh dear. I have to meet him again. He's the hobo helper. I know what I'm doing.
Hey! Over here!
You should kill more people. Jeff, you should kill more people.
I don't want to kill more people.
Why?
Not yet.
It should be bad.
You're a very bad influence, Johannes.
Oh, I'm not the one who has the pet bear.
Excuse me. You're blowing my cover.
Okay.
You're blowing my cover, Johannes. Stop. They're eating people. Ew. That's just nasty. That's nasty.
Help me, please! Thanks for saving me. I'm going to tell everyone about you.
You saved my life! Thank you so much! Wait till everybody hears about this!
I'm going to kill all of you. It's the Wasp Queen. Yay.
No. This Mongo
Oh dear.
the one punch man. Even though he was like unpenetrable, he punched the Wasp Queen in the side of the nose while he could last all being barely naked. Possibly one of the best gag monsters ever. Kills everything.
But they are no match for your weapon. You're making good progress learning combat multipliers. Attack the Wasp Queen again. Remember, you can also use your will powers against her.
Yeah. Let the power flow through you. They are no match for me.
Power of adrenaline and those
I use my light. I
hormones.
destroyed him. As I was sprawling on the ground, I carved lightning
What's
into
going
her.
on?
Where are the wasps?
Oh, Jeffrey, your manly testosterone is too much for her.
It was a wasp queen. Ew. It was a wasp. Ew.
Chicken chaser.
So what?
And they're still calling me.
You've received a new quest card.
I'm stealing all the
It's Rule
food.
34 all over again, Jeffrey.
Shut up! Ah. Ooh, a health pot. I'm just stealing all this stuff off the bodies of people. I could kill you all.
Kill them all. Kill them all with your manly lightning testosterone.
I can do the Russian now.
That was good work.
Hey look, I'm using the wasp head as a weapon.
Oh, Jeffrey can't sink the heads of his ex-girlfriends.
Yeah!
Eating pie. Okay, let's go. I just finished a quest. You don't level up in this game, you just kind of increase your stats, kind of like in Dark
Maze
Souls.
is looking for you. He waits for you in the Bowerstone Tavern.
Huh?
Just got a wasp head. Jeffrey gets all the bitches. He uses every single one of their heads as a weapon. Gets all the bitches. Get even more bitches.
There's no stamina, I can run forever. Can I get a new title from
How may I
you?
help you today? You're sure to find something to suit you?
Chicken tit bites.
I'm an assassin. I can be known as an assassin, or a druid, or a ruin master, or the R's face. I'll choose the R's face. No, I'm just kidding.
You've got the makings of
Wasp
quite
face.
a hero. That wasp was dead meat.
Poop on everyone by throwing
You're sure to find something to
Wait,
suit
that's
you?
not right.
Maleficus, the Hood, Ranger, Pie Master. What should I be known as? Malefic? No, I can't choose that. Assassin, Druid, Ranger, Ruin Master, Hood, Saber, Pie Master, or R's face. Any ideas, Johannes?
Well, it is your choice. I wouldn't want to modify anything. Just go
You've
ahead.
got the makings of quite a...
I'll be the Ruin Master.
Get the Roadmaster.
None
How may I help you today?
I am the Ruin Master. You are nothing to me.
Art.
Oh, now this one looks promising.
Alright.
Oh, hello.
You're a hippie.
You must be the kid Maze is always talking about.
You're the hippie.
Can't
he's
imagine
talking
what he
about.
sees in you. Still, I suppose Maze knows best.
You look like
But
a
where are
female
my
Harry
manners?
Potter.
I'm Briar Rose.
Briar Rose.
No doubt you've heard of me. No time for autographs, I'm afraid. I have to get to Knothole Glade for an important mission. Speaking of which, if you came for a quest card, all the best ones have gone already. I'm sure the guild can find you something to do, though. I hear the kitchens need cleaning.
I'm gonna murder you. She looks like a hippie. But that ass is so sweet.
Maze is waiting.
Okay, time to level up. Time to level up like a Asian. Attack spells. Should I get Fireball or Battle Charge?
Jeffrey. Obviously, go with the one that suits your demeanor.
Multi-arrow. Yeah. Shielding. Assassin.
Magic power increases your capacity for storing mana.
You know what? No, I'm gonna increase my strength. I can't increase physique.
Health increases the amount of damage you can take.
Alright, I can increase will, so... Assassin's Rush. Seems something like Archon would do.
Notice your experience pools going down. You will always use your will experience.
Yes, perfect. It's cough.
You won't be
Cough,
disappointed
cough,
here.
nudge, nudge.
That's my mate friend.
Jeffrey, you see that girl? Yeah, yeah. Want you to, you know, chicken tit bites.
Shut up already, will you? Touch
Well,
this.
Well, you got me to commentate with you.
You're the worst co-commentator ever.
Why, thank you, sir.
All right, hero.
Hey. Bowerstone South. I'm in the town of Bowerstone.
Oi! You're new here, aren't you?
Yes.
We have some rules round here that you need to know about. Bowerstone is a peaceful town. I'll have to confiscate your weapons for now. There are shops, inns, lots of different people, games, all kinds of things. Why not pay the tavern a visit first? It's the building in front of you, just up the road from here. Oh, and keep an eye open for Lady Grey. Treat her with respect. She is the mayor after all. Have a look around and enjoy your stay in Bowerstone.
How come you have a weapon?
Because he's the chosen one. Claimed to kill the heartless.
I get my weapons confiscated.
Over here.
Oh, here you are, mage.
Been enjoying all the attention, have you?
Yes.
Yes. I heard about your encounter with the Wasp Queen. Most of Bowerstone is talking about it. But, you shouldn't let that kind of thing go to your head. Anyway, that's not why I called you here. You see, there are dark forces gathering that put your giant insect to shame. Tell me, how much do you remember of the night I took you to the guild? Of the raid on Oakvale? Not much, I wager. A most terrible night. I thought those bandits had killed your whole family, and that you were going to be next. But it seems there may have been another survivor. Your sister. I'm afraid it's only a rumor, and there's no way to be certain yet, but I thought you should know. And for pity's sake, boy, make sure you replace that basic equipment while you're here.
I wasted it on a title.
Check the guild for more quests.
Alvin. Hey, look,
Hello.
Alvin the blacksmith.
Hello again.
Can I buy something from you already?
Quick!
All right.
I bet he's going on a quest. What do you think about him? The sky is red.
Oh, woe is me. My son is poorly. It's me boy. My poor little boy. We were on a picnic at Lookout Point when he found these strange mushrooms.
Found mushrooms?
The witch in Bowerstone Key says we shouldn't worry, but she needs
We
more
should
of the
put them in
mushrooms before she can
Baptist
cure
place.
him. I would find them myself, but I need to look after
Fire.
Aldi. Please, could you help us?
He ate some mushrooms, Johannes.
Really? Really no. I thought, well, I guess marijuana.
some beer.
Didn't we destroy my place? Like,
Little girl,
in
go
the
away.
My
house.
body is made out of sugar. I hope I don't fall into it.
Jeffrey, did you destroy Master's happy place?
Yes, I did.
Can I have
should
a
build
lovely
it.
tankard?
You should build it.
I doing here
Don't
again?
go breaking any laws.
Hello again.
Time to roam around the city. I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah. Ooh, look. A teleporter.
How may I help you?
Yeah.
Isaiah's having problems at Orchard Farm. It's a mod thing.
I need to find that blacksmith. He won't even talk to me. Here he is.
Swords, axes, shield. You've come to the right place.
Weapons. I could get a pick hammer. I have the katana. None of these are good. Alright. I think that's enough for one episode. Ooh, that's pretty good. Pretty expensive.
Like this. Favorite if you like it. See you later, friendies.
Goodbye.